Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World Videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Moving forward with the introduction, it says sharing presentation with someone who's offline may require printout of the presentation. We'll cover all of the printing task and setting in the print pane along with the quick print feature in this session. If we talk about the course goal, so we have discussed about the need of printing the document. Then we are going to cover about printing task and setting in the printing pane and how did quick print feature works. I'll show you how we can take the printout. There is a little bit change. In the previous version of the PowerPoint, we do have a print preview option where we used to see and we used to take the printout. But in PowerPoint 2010, you will find these features in Backstage view. So you have to click on File here and you have the option Print here. Click on this option. So here you will get these settings. There are certain settings that you can perform here to take the printouts, and this is the preview window which show you that how the printout will look like. Now we can perform multiple settings here. For example, suppose you want to take the printout for the entire presentation. So you can select here print all slides, print the entire presentation. Once you select it and click on print, then it's going to give you the printout for the entire presentation. Now if we want to see the preview, like what are the all default options available with us, click on this, the second drop down. It show you the print layouts. This is the full page slide. So in this pane we can see the preview. This way it look like. Now the second option is the notes pages. Click on this and in this way you will get your printout. You will be having the slide in the first half and then in the below section you will be having the notes. Then the other option you have is the outline. You click on the outline and this is how the text is presented in the outline format. If you want, you can take the printout in this format also. For example, you don't want the images to get print on the PowerPoint slides. So you can click on this outline option and then you can take a printout of the outline format. Now I'll show you what are the all options available. In the print layout, we have the full page slide, the note pages where we'll get the slide and the notes together. Then we have the outline option. And then we have the option for the handouts also, like the slide on one page. Then we have two slides on the page this way. And similarly, we have 3 slides, 4, 6, 9. These are the options available. Do we want to arrange these slides in the horizontal way or in the vertical way? Suppose if we are going to select the horizontal, in this way we'll be getting the printout. If you want them to be arranged in the vertical manner, then click and in this way you will be getting the slides. It means slide number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this way. And if we are going to select it in the horizontal way, then 1, 2 and 3 this way we'll be getting the slides. So these are the option availables that how do we want to arrange these slides. Then again we have the option here frame slides or scale to fit paper or high quality. So you can arrange any of the option from here. Do you want to select this option like set to scale to fit paper? Then we do have an option for the portrait orientation. We have portrait orientation and landscape orientation. If you are going to select portrait orientation, in this way the page would be there in this standing manner, like you will be getting the length in this way. If you are going to select the landscape orientation, you will be getting the orientation of the page is different in both of them. Then do you want to take the colored printout or the gray scale or the pure black and white? You can select the option which kind of printout you want to take to. So these are the all settings available that you can perform, and after that you do have an option here, select the number of copies you want to create for the presentation. So as per your requirement you can set the number here, like 1 copy you require or 2 copy, how many, and then you can click on print to take the printouts. We do have an option here to select the printers also. If you have multiple printers installed in your machine, then click on the drop down and select the printer from which you want to take a printout. So you can select the printer and then click on print to take the printout of your presentation. This is how you can perform these settings. You can these are the print settings we have discussed, that in which way we want to take the print. We can see the print preview also, that is on the in this third window on the extremely right hand side, how the document look like if we are going to take the presentation. So that was it about printing it. We do have one more option, that is quick print. I'll show you how that quick print works. There may be times when you want to print something with a single click. You don't want to select multiple options. So at that particular time you can click on the quick print and your document would be printed. This feature prints the document using the default settings and the default printer. And in PowerPoint 2010 you need to add this quick print option to the quick access toolbar if you want to use it. So what you have to do is right click on the quick access toolbar and select the option customize quick access toolbar. Now from the list you need to search for the option quick print. This is the option. Click on quick print and add. Let me remove these two options also that we have added earlier. So we have the option quick print in the quick access toolbar now. Click on OK. We have got the quick print option here. If you have a need of printing the document and you want to do it quickly, instead of moving to the backstage view and selecting all the option, the alternative you have is that add the print option in the quick print option in the quick access toolbar. Now you will be clicking on this option and it's going to send the command to the printer. I am getting one message here, before you can use the feature, OneNote must start for the first time. I am getting this message because there is no printer installed in the system right now, but once you're going to click on this, it's going to send a printout with the default settings what we have in the backstage view. So in the backstage view we have a setting right now, 1 copy, and the printer is selected, print all slides, and we want a printout in this format, 9 slides in the horizontal way with the landscape orientation and with the colored view. So now if you're going to click on quick print with all these settings, you'll be getting the printout. So this is how you can take the printout of the presentation and you can check the printout settings. So that was it about today's session. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching Edupedia World videos.